To start using Nextcloud with your Amber, you just need to log in to your Amber and then you connect using your admin credentials. After that, you just need to open the AmberPro section and you go to the App Store. Within the App Store, you'll find the Nextcloud container and you just need to download and install it. After that, you'll have the app and the database. Then you'll need to select your username and password and also the type of database that you'll use. After that, you'll be able to log in directly to your Nextcloud with your login credentials, your username and your password. Now that you have Nextcloud running, you can start setting up everything as you'd like. You'll have a quick presentation about all the functionalities and everything that you can do with Nextcloud, and you can go to settings to adjust. You can add your email just in case you need to reset your password. And you can also add your avatar. Here you can also change the language, but not only that, you can also change other settings for your Nextcloud, like the security settings. Within the security settings, you can change your password, but also check the activity and also the devices that are using your Nextcloud. Then you have the activity bar where you can select what you want as a notification, either mail or push notification. And then on your mobile and desktop tab, you can see where you can actually use Nextcloud and also get the IP address to connect locally to your Nextcloud. And then on your accessibility tab, you can use dark mode, but also you can use the eye contrast mode and the dyslexia font. Now that we took a quick look over the settings, we can go back to the dashboard, and that will be basically your main screen on your Nextcloud. You can customize the screen, you can set the location to get the weather for your location. And now this is where it gets interesting because you can look into the folder section where you have all your folders, both the ones you have for yourself, but the ones you also have to share with other teammates or even other persons that are not using your Nextcloud. And here we just created a quick folder named video files, and we dragged a quick video sample to this folder. Now you can see the progress bar and it's uploading the file. Now after uploading this file, we can share it both with our teammates, but also with a link we can send to anyone else. Now, if you want to use Nextcloud outside your LAN, you will need a static IP or a dynamic DNS. But to use it locally, it's just fine. You can use it out of the box as it is. And with Nextcloud, another neat feature is that you can install apps and also add-ons to your Nextcloud experience. With this, I just installed, for instance, Splash add-on. Basically, it will refresh and use a different splash screen for my dashboard. This is great and makes the experience extremely customizable. Now we also have the Nextcloud client available for your iPhone or your Android device. You just need to open either your Play Store or your App Store and look for Nextcloud. You'll see that you have both Nextcloud and Nextcloud Talk available. That's because you can use Nextcloud Talk to speak with your teammates. But now we are focusing on Nextcloud. We will download the application and then log in into our Nextcloud. And to log into our Nextcloud, we will use the IP address for our Amber and then the port that Nextcloud uses. After this, we will be prompt to write our username and password just to make sure that we are the ones signing in to the Nextcloud. And as soon as we are in, we will see the folder and the file that we just uploaded from the computer. We can even play the file directly here. And to wrap it up, we can upload photos, videos, documents. We can create documents directly there, scan documents, and even create voice memos. So this is a great tool that you can install on your Amber right now today.